To say why or because in Spanish, you say por qué. You say it the same way. Why? ¿Por qué? Because. ¿Por qué? Let me say it slow. Repeat after me. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué? Because. Porque sí. When you use because, you cannot just say por qué. You gotta say something like, for instance, just because. Porque sí. Why? ¿Por qué? Just because. Nomás porque sí. Let me say it slow. Nomás porque sí. Nomás porque sí. Just because. Nomás porque sí. Okay, here's an example. Why? ¿Por qué? Because I want to. Porque quiero. I'm going to slow it down. Porque quiero. Porque quiero. Because I want to. Porque quiero. Okay, here is another example. Why not? ¿Por qué no? Because I don't want to. Porque no quiero. Okay, let's review. To say why or because, you say por qué. Now, when you write why, is two words. Por qué. With a question mark. And when you say because, it's written all together. Just one straight word. Why? ¿Por qué? Because. ¿Por qué? Also, you cannot just say because. You must add something to the because. Because I said so. Porque yo dije.